morning. It's Friday, which means we are moving into our new apartment today. I'm so excited. So we're moving out of this house at 3 and we're meeting the Airbnb guy downtown at the apartment. It's in the perfect location. I'll show you everything around it. It's amazing. But right now we've just been packing all morning and we actually have everything pretty much packed. We're just gonna go to lunch, come back, clean the house a little bit, do some laundry, and then head over there. I'm gonna miss Crory. Those hills.
Those hills.
With the fog.
We'll be out here for game days.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I'm a little bummed because I feel like I am just now starting to get the hang of Crory. And I'm just now getting like the streets down and everything, and now we're leaving.
Once you get comfortable, that's when you need to push on, maybe. Get out of your comfort zone. Drive the car back, and then I'll just take the bus back down, you know?
Okay.
And instead of like leaving the car down, because what are we gonna do tomorrow, you know? How's it going? Thanks, what are you guys? Pretty good.
Thank you so much. We just got these giant veggie breakfast platters. You don't think they're giant?
Giant.
Well, he usually orders a thing called the big boy, so.
I mean, we can just put them on the back of the car too. We don't need to squeeze them in.
No, that's what this is for.
Okay.
Are you bringing this ball?
No, that's Tyler's.
All clean, ready to go.
That's it.
We're leaving. This is your last time walking on these stairs ever.
Come back here.
We're coming here in a couple of minutes anyways. Goodbye, room.
Adios.
You gonna miss it?
Arrivederci. Yeah, no, this place was dope.
So weird. I've already been here for what, 10 days?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Goodbye, house. Such a stormy day. This is the main road that we live next to now, Courtney Place. And then we're just like, what, 1 block this way?
Like 2 blocks.
2 blocks this way. Super close. This is a really nice, healthy grocery store that's right on our block, which will be really convenient.
Pronounced Moody Wild.
No, it's not.
Wilson.
No. More Wilsons. And we're right up here on the left. Yeah, I'll bring my backpack.
This takes a bit. Hey, it's Matt.
Hi Matt, I'll buzz you through and I'll meet you on level 5.
Awesome, sounds good.
Going up.
Here it comes. It's like SpongeBob. When do we get to the ride in Escalator Land? This is the ride.
Our very own apartment, and it's beautiful. It's perfect. You come in here, you have this gorgeous little kitchen, pretty modern. We have a stovetop and an oven. Perfect. Laundry.
That's gonna be huge.
This really bright red rug that I'm not too keen on. Dining table. So this is really cool. I've never seen one of these before, but it's basically a drying rack for your clothes, but you use this little pulley thing, and you lower it down, you put your clothes on it, and then once you're done, you lift it up, and it dries right by the window.
I thought that was a pull-up bar.
No. And then if you go upstairs, oh, this is pretty nice. Look at that.
Not bad.
Spacious. You could read a book in here.
I think this is where I'll do most of my reading.
Hang out. It's pretty. It's just like a loft up here, so you can still see down, but there's this black, what would you call this? Like a blacked out Roman that you can pull down.
Sure. No, that's not a Roman.
Yeah, it is.
That's an Athens.
No, we're just gonna go down to the car now and get all the rest of our luggage. And then we have to somehow bring the car back up to Crory and then come back down. And then we'll enjoy the place. Here you go. We just popped over to More Wilsons for the first time. It's kind of like a Whole Foods. Quality, healthy,
Expensive.
Expensive, just like Whole Foods. But we also got a gift for the Hornsbys for letting us stay with them. So this is her favorite wine. You excited?
Ah.
Yeah. Good morning. It is Monday. I didn't vlog for a couple days. Excuse that. Today, Shelly and I are gonna record our first podcast in this apartment. So right now we're trying to figure out how to use this as our backdrop and then this big window right here as the light. We're gonna have to rearrange the whole living room here. And yeah, then we'll probably go to a coffee shop and edit. There's a lot of little things that go into this podcast. What are you doing? Good job, babe. No, move the couch.
You're literally like, okay, let's start cleaning up, and then I start cleaning up, and then
You gotta move the couch too.
Okay.
But there's a lot of little things that go into doing these podcasts. We have to do thumbnails for the podcast website, Podbean. We have to do the thumbnail for Instagram, for YouTube, make a bunch of thumbnails for our highlight videos that we make, and then the full episode. Yeah, it's a lot, but Shelly does the editing and then I do kind of more the visual like thumbnail part of it. So it works out nicely and I'm gonna help him now and then record the podcast. Maybe we'll just have to get closer and we could share a mic.
Yeah, I think that'd be the best thing to do, honestly.
You think so?
Yeah.
You guys probably saw in my tour of the apartment already, but there's basically like this long kind of main space down here. And then the kitchen's right behind me, but we want to film at the front. So we're trying to hide everything back here with this, but it's really not big enough. So yeah, I don't know if it's gonna work. So we finally have the setup all good to go. And now I'm just gonna make some decaf coffee because we always like to have something to hold and to drink. I don't know why, but we just do. So I'm gonna make some decaf and then we're gonna start. What?
I remember what I was running up here for.
What?
Headphones.
Oh yeah, headphones.
Only one of us can listen.
What?
There's not two headphones.
Then we'll share my Apple one.
No. I just need to set it up and then we can do it without headphones.
Podcast is done. It is a fantastic episode if you want to know my opinion, but it is a premium, so.
This is something about Mimi you guys gotta know. Huge window with light. She goes, let me check the lighting.
Well, I think it's just boring to just stand here and vlog the whole thing right here. You think that's boring?
Yeah.
I want to be able to walk around my apartment.
How about like this? Look at this angle right here.
Is it a good one?
Yeah, that's a good angle.
We're gonna make some lunch, tuna as always, and then we're gonna walk around and find us a little cafe to do some work. I don't know if this is gonna be a very boring topic for you guys, but I eat tuna a lot, probably too much if you ask my mom. She's worried about mercury poisoning, but I eat it like every day. And in New Zealand, we found these cans that are already made up. So you don't have to like add anything to it, which is super nice because like Shelly back here, you just open it, put it on your sandwich, and then you're done. It's like the easiest thing I've ever seen. I want to smuggle these back to the US if we don't have them because I've never seen them. And there's like different flavors, like a lot of different flavors. Do you like any of the other ones?
Yeah, I like them all.
Yeah, they're pretty good.
The normal one's my favorite.
Yeah, the normal one is this one, just the tuna spread. It's just like mayo, relish, something crunchy. What is that? It tastes like, yeah, chestnut, water chestnut.
Just what I was gonna say.
I was gonna say either that or apple, but same thing. It's really good and it's like the quickest lunch I've ever made, so. And while I was at the grocery store yesterday, I got some of this gluten-free Wheat Bix because I'm making a video one of these days about some treats here in New Zealand. I'm gonna do my first impressions. And I really wanted to try this, but I'm allergic to it, but I found a gluten-free one. So I don't know if it'll be like the same at all as the normal one, but I'm gonna try it out. I'll let you know what I think, because a lot of people eat this here. A lot of people.
Well, I have to eat it with milk.
Well, I have almond milk.
Oh.
Yeah, so mine will be gluten-free Wheat Bix with almond milk. So I don't know if it'll be the same thing at all, but you're already eating your tuna? He doesn't savor anything and it kills me inside. Can you eat slower, please? It hurts me, Shelly. He eats his sandwiches in like 3 bites. Okay, this is also a really random thing about New Zealand, but they have the best bread ever. Would you say that? Would you agree? They have this really famous company called Vogel's, which we have our other loaf in.
It's pronounced Vogel.
No, it's not. No, you're not getting me this time. But this one's also really good. Like, it's crazy. We had some friends come over, Shelly did, come over from Australia a couple weeks ago, and her dad actually asked her to smuggle back like 6 loaves of Vogel's bread to Australia. That's how good it is. Just wait till we sit down and then eat it. Oh my god. We should do a pet peeves video where we talk about you the whole time. I want you guys to see how easy this meal is. You don't have to do anything. It comes perfectly made up like this. If we don't have this in America, I'm gonna start a company.
That would be a good idea.
Mimi's world famous tuna. And I
You
can
can't call it world famous if it's not world famous.
It is world famous, and I can also sell my banana bread.
It's hard not to eat orange without making slurping noises.
No, it's not. You know it's not. You just eat them like a normal person.
Let's hear you do it.
You just want to eat them the soccer practice way.
You know what's kind of sad to think about?
Soccer
One day,
practice?
for the last time, a parent brought orange slices to training or to a game, and never again did you
I
ever
should
have
bring
them.
them to your games so you guys can have them afterwards.
That'd be so embarrassing.
Do you think parents realize that it's their last time bringing orange slices?
I've always, well, that was like, I got that quote from, it was like one time you went out to play with your friends in the neighborhood.
And that was the last
And
time.
then you went back home and you never went back out again.
I know, I heard that too. It was really sad.
I was like, dang.
Cherish every moment. I want to show how you eat oranges. The barbaric way that you eat. Oh my god. He doesn't even make it to the table. He cuts it up here and then he eats it all. Oh my god. Does anybody else out there have gold kiwis? Because these are so good. And I don't think either of us have had them in the US. Have you had them before? Really good. Really, really, really good.
It was funny. They don't call these kiwis.
Yeah, what?
Yeah,
What do you mean?
they call them kiwi fruit
Oh yeah, because there's kiwi birds
and kiwi
and
people.
kiwi humans. Kiwi fruit.
Yeah, so they're like, oh, we have a couple bananas, oranges, and kiwi fruit. Where everywhere else you say kiwis. It would be kind of weird. Be like, yeah, we're gonna have some bananas, oranges, and Americans.
I finished this book that I was telling you guys about earlier. The Eye of the Needle by Ken Follett. Really good book. It was just a page turner, super easy. And then, since I love him so much and I've read him before, I wanted to read another one of his books. So I went and bought this one, and it's huge. If you guys like historical fiction, highly recommend it. This is the beginning of a trilogy. It's called the Century Trilogy, and this is book 1. Really, really, really good. I've only read it for like 2 days and I'm already this far, so.
That's insane.
Just letting you know. So it turns out most coffee places close at 4, so we're not going anywhere. So we're just gonna hang out. We already put our comfy pants back on. Shelly's doing it right now.
My party pants.
Right, when we were like, so are we just gonna stay here? I'm like, yeah, we both just ran upstairs to put our comfy pants on. So I'm gonna keep eating my lunch, reading my book.
I'm getting 406 subscribers today.
Why?
What's that supposed
Why are you guys following him
'Cause I put out good
and not
content.
me? I have way better content. How many have I gotten?
Oh,
Check.
okay.
Better be no less than 100.
6.
That's pretty good.
That's good. Yeah.
Why do you say it like that? You just think you're so much better than me.
You know, because you said no less than 100. That's good though. That's crazy.
Shut up.
No, honestly, better than 0.
6 of you guys want to watch me eat my tuna and read my book. Good taste.
I meant to do it in the headphones.
Some of us are trying to read over here.
I have my headphones on.
You watching your own videos?
It's just a troll on.
Shelly likes to sit here while he's working and throw his pen up, and it got stuck on the window.
I don't need sass from you, man.
Why do you do these things?
It's called having fun.
Can he do it? Hey! Shelly and I decided to treat ourselves since we couldn't go to the coffee shop. We're gonna go to the grocery store and get some chocolate. Yeah? Oh. I just held the camera open when the elevator opened and there was a guy standing in it.
I've done that before.
He felt uncomfortable. I could feel it. we are headed out to get some chocolate.
Snacks for days.
So we ended up getting a little bit more than just chocolate
As always.
at the store, as always.
Oh, do we need anything else? Do we need chicken or anything?
Nope. Mostly because tomorrow I'm filming a video. Let me see. Ooh, here's all the good stuff. So we got some pineapple lumps, some of this Whitaker business, these Jaffas. I don't want to show you everything, but I'm gonna film the video tomorrow, so hopefully that'll be up soon. And you can watch it.